Hey, what are we playing today?
I'm not sure PS5. I mean, I was gonna play Warzone, but my PSN buddies are all on their PCs playing Valorant or something.
Yeah, well, there is talk of Valorant possibly maybe coming to PlayStation in the future. So when it does,
If it does,
I will add it to your wish list. You've already got Rust and Subnautica on there.
cool.
What's up?
Nothing. Literally nothing is up. I mean, it's been 4 months and there's basically nothing to do.
I have plenty to offer.
Like what?
Astrobot?
4-hour game.
Miles Morales?
Basically a DLC.
Okay, Cold War?
Doesn't count. And if it did, it's the worst COD since Advanced Warfare.
Wow.
Okay, look, I'm not trying to be a dick or anything, but I've been incredibly patient with you.